Hi
Hi
guys. Good
guys.
morning. Good morning.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. Guess what today is? Today is
My
my
birthday.
sweetheart's birthday.
Woo.
Woo! Yeah. So we're gonna take you guys on the journey today. It's gonna be a full day vlog. We'll try as much as possible to vlog every
As much as we
important
can.
thing today.
Yeah.
So I've got some things in stock for her. She has no clue. And
He
they're
has
going to
been
be unfolding.
talking about it. He has not really been talking about it. He has been trying to keep the secret.
I've given her a lot of clues.
And guys, my
and all
love
the
is
clues are
sweet.
wrong. So that's the way. You understand what I'm saying? I've told her that this wrong and that wrong. It looks like I'm lying a bit. God forgive me. So yes, we're gonna start off with our workout session this morning. It's not like we're always like constant like that, but sometimes
special.
but
But sometimes we walk
sometimes
out.
we actually try to do workout. And please don't mind the background noise. I hope it's not even coming out that much.
Yeah.
Our honorable electricity distribution company have refused to give us power, so we are on a self-powered machine. That's what we call generator in Nigeria. Alright, so we're going to kick off now with my own workout session, and she'll just walk me through with it. This one is busy right now.
Hello, sister babe. How are you doing today? Ma ṣe gbàgbé pé this love is here to stay. I want you to know kinní kan. Say na you I choose ìwọ nìkan. Kò sóhun tó lè yà wá, Olúwa yóò gbé wa ró. Through the storm, through the rain, whatever weather, hot or cold, I'll be right here by your side, pulling you close. You are my lover and my friend, now and forever, that I'm sure. I pledge my all to you, baby, I am yours. Sister babe. Life is beautiful with you in it, and my light is shining brighter. Sister babe. You are all I want and nothing more. My precious gifts from the Father, and I'll love you.
Plants.
20 seconds. Play.
Really?
Yes.
How is that? the bay of the Most High God, thank you so much for the light you bring into my life. Thank you so much for the beautiful smile that you put on my face. Thank you so much for. Thank you so much for you see that I'm looking at. Thank you so much for the kind of strength that you give me. I want you to know that I love you and that you mean everything to me. You mean everything to me. Today, get ready to be wild.
Yeah.
Get ready to be wild. On behalf of me and Divine Friends, and guess what? And all my WhatsApp status people, we are going to celebrate it today.
Yeah.
You have no idea. So to start off, this is your first gift.
Yeah.
Open it. Just the 40.
Baby, I am yours.
Alright. So this is your first gift. You are going to go out your bath now and dress up with it. Then you come back outside.
You are all I want and nothing more. My precious gift from the Father, and I will love you till my. Baby, I am yours. Happy birthday!
Yeah, so I feel so glad. I feel so glad. I feel so surprised, and I'm so appreciative of my special. Aww. I mean,
Video bomber.
I mean, this is. I didn't expect it.
You're going to be wrapping them with yourself, so you can move closer to her now.
Ta-da-da! Yo!
Show us.
Wow.
Should I read it out?
Just show us, just show us, show
You
us.
can read it. You
Can
can
read
read
it
it.
later.
Wow, this is. Just read your husband's part.
Yeah.
You're my sunshine. You rock my world, my beautiful, elegant, ever-loving sister babe. My love song and my best choice. I want you to know, Kimiko. I love you. I love you. What is that? I love the way you do me. On this beautiful day of your birth, may your light shine brighter. May your love grow stronger. May all your wishes come true. Thank you for bringing light into my world. I love you, die.
Aww.
Happy birthday, my love. You're number one fan.
Marcus.
Wow,
Can read the rest later.
Alright, so you had some. So that wraps it up for this session. For this session of the birthday surprise. Thank you so much, everyone.
Welcome.
Thank you so much, everyone, for.
thank you so much.
Okay, one last thing. I'm supposed to show you the birthday wishes that people have sent to me. So I have blocked you on my WhatsApp status for a while now. Yes, I blocked you. So I will unblock you when I want to post what I want you to see, and I will block you when I want to post what I don't want you to see. So everybody has been planning this birthday with me. Why do you think they got you gifts? Yes, so let's rock this.
Just like that.
So I'm sure they're waiting to hear.
CBK.
So most of them you don't know them. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for the love.
Thank you.
So, are you surprised?
I was greatly, seriously surprised.
Did you see it coming?
At all. I did not. Wow, this is so beautiful.
All right. See you later, guys.
Yeah. Hi guys. So this is part 2 of the birthday vlog. I mean, this one right here has been busting my brain all day. I mean, welcome back to our channel. If you like this video, like it, comment, subscribe to our channel, and all that good stuff. I mean, so baby, where are we going to?
Let them find out.
We are currently driving to a surprise location. I mean, he told me it's a Chinese restaurant, but I've never been there. I've never had Chinese food before. I mean, this birthday is a birthday of a lifetime. I mean,
I just hope you don't
guys,
have allergies from eating.
Well, I don't think I'm that kind of allergic person.
All right.
So guys, let us give you one gist of the backstory of today, guys. Do you know what this man was doing? He was telling me that, okay, I would I mean, how do I put it now? All through the week, he was not giving me leads. He was giving me wrong leads. There are some things he would tell me that I'll be like, they're not even keeping the secret well, blah blah blah. And in my mind, I was thinking that I was catching him.
Let me cut you. So, for the past 5 to 6 days, I've been planning a surprise birthday for my wife, and she thought she had me figured out.
Oh my god.
In me master of surprises.
Yeah.
She was telling me that, babe, you know you cannot hide anything from me now. Since you got married, it has been very difficult for you to hide stuff from me. And I'm like, I've been now. So I told her that, see, there's no money. Let's just have a couples, time. Let me just take you out, and then, I don't really believe in all this cake and stuff. And she's very high on cake. Like, birthday is not complete without a cake. And I'm just saying, see, all those things, it's just childish things, stuff like that. I knew I would never try to give her a birthday without a cake. Never again. From what she showed me one time like that. After I did all I could, spent money, spent time.
Guys, don't align.
I traveled for miles to go and give her a wonderful birthday experience. But I did not get her a cake because growing up, cake was never a part of birthdays for me. My babe later told me that she enjoyed it, show, but she wished she had a cake.
But this is just like a summary or explanation of what happened. So I just started hearing birthday. And I'm like, what's going on? I did not expect that at all.
What is going on here?
And then I got some amazing gifts. The bag. I've been talking about getting a bag. I've been talking about it for the longest time, and then he got it for me. The shoe came from Auntie Pat. Thank you so much. The lights got me some accessories, and then I got, it's like everybody thought I need earrings and brooches.
They give her a lot of earrings.
And I'm really grateful.
Maybe you've been wearing the same earrings. At least now you will not have to wear the same earrings.
Oh my goodness. Well, that's it for now, guys. We're headed for the Chinese restaurant right
Yeah.
Life is beautiful with you in it, and my light is shining brighter. You are all I want and nothing more. My precious gift from the Father, and I'll love you till my last breath. You're my love song. You're my
Hi guys. So we're here live at Zen Garden. We're still waiting for waiter to come and take our order. But
This place looks beautiful.
yeah, it's really cozy and romantic. We had to stand by this side. Isn't it romantic? Why are you looking?
Yeah, it is.
We had to stand by this side for the view. Look at the view. Yeah, beautiful. And it has a kind of waterfall. Is it a waterfall? It's not a waterfall, it's water spring.
Or whatever.
Alright, so we'll feed you guys in when our food gets here. But battery's about to die, so let's hope that they will bring this food on time. So guys, let's hope that doesn't take long.
Yeah, and I hope we enjoy the place.
We're about to eat some things we have not eaten before.
Oh, yeah.
They want a dumpling. I only hear dumpling in Chinese movie.
Yes.
So they gave me hot wear and I said, what should I do with it? So I have to use to wash my hands.
Baby, I am yours, sister, babe. Life is beautiful with you with me, and my light is shining brighter.
What you bring to it? This is the chicken. Thank you.
My precious gift from the Father, and I will love you till my last breath. You're my love song.
Okay.
You're my love song. You're my love song. You're my love song. Oh, oh, oh. You're my love song. You're my love song. Oh, you're my love song. You're my love song. Oh, you're my love song.
We had our starters, that's the dumpling. Then it's our main course. What's it called? Fried rice special. Yeah. The fish here, and then some sauce. Bon appetit.
Hello, sister, babe. How are you doing today? My sugar, babe. This love is here to stay. I want you to know, can you come? Say now you I choose you want me home. So tell me how I
See, but this is playing I Will Always Love You. So romantic.
I'll be right here by your side, pulling you close. You are my lover and my friend, now and forever that I'm sure. I pledge my all to you, baby, I am yours. Life is beautiful.
So guys,
And my life
meet
is
John you.
shining
I
brighter.
finished plate. The mountain is silent.
My precious gift from the Father, and I'll love you till my last breath. 'Cause you're my love song.
Look at what we turned a roll plate, potty plate of juice. This is me just respecting myself. Normal, I will finish the plate. Like, you don't go see anything inside. But it's all good. It's all good. I need to record this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Thank you so much. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Blow your candle. Oh. This is
Life is beautiful with you in it, and my light is shining brighter.
So for those that were saying that she loves milk, I'll say it again. That is ice cream. She takes milk every day. See finish has happened to her with milk. So ice cream has replaced it. You can see. You can see. See the way she's glowing now. Is she our ice cream? Is she our ice cream? So I got that question. Just so you know.
So guys, we just finished at the restaurant. If I were already going home, we're so tired. We're like, if I were just talking and we're like, have we ended the vlog? We're like, no, we haven't. So
I'm so tired, guys.
let's just
So
end it.
tired.
And then we're in traffic.
If you give me a pillow right now, I would sleep.
Alright, so this is the end of our birthday vlog.
If you're a new watcher, smash that subscribe button.
Yes, like
This video, drop a comment,
and share with your loved
share with your loved
ones.
ones. And until we come your way again, keep loving.
And keep believing.
We are
The Stalwart Lovers. Woo!